Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Whoop 4.0 in the gym. First, make sure your device is fully charged and calibrated. For the most accurate readings during your workout, wear your Whoop on your non-dominant wrist or bicep. Then, simply connect it to the mobile app via Bluetooth. Take a moment to explore the app's dashboard and settings to understand where your data will be displayed. This initial setup ensures you're ready to track your performance effectively. Once you're in the gym, your Whoop 4.0 will automatically begin to detect and log your activities. For more precise tracking of specific exercises, you can manually start an activity within the app. During your session, keep an eye on your real-time heart rate, calorie burn, and strain data, which are all visible in the app. Don't forget to use the Strain Coach feature. It's a fantastic tool to help you optimize your effort level for that particular day. After your gym session, it's time to dive into your post-workout analysis. The app provides a comprehensive summary detailing your maximum and average heart rate, along with your total strain for the activity. Pay close attention to your recovery score. This crucial metric helps you understand your body's readiness for future training. Remember to use the journal feature to log any subjective feelings or notes about your workout, adding valuable context to your data. To truly optimize your performance and recovery, consistently use your daily recovery scores to guide your training intensity. Pay close attention to your sleep performance, as it profoundly impacts your overall recovery. Over time, you'll start to identify trends in your strain and recovery, allowing you to make informed adjustments to your routine. Finally, leverage the Whoop journal to understand how various lifestyle factors, like nutrition or stress, affect your data and overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.